Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am. We did DMIT. We did DMIT counseling for Dhruv Moolai. Please share your
Yes, yes.
experience, ma'am. How is the report? What are your two takeaways?
I'm really, really very happy that I could do this DMIT to my son because these things I did not know more about DMIT. After doing research and all, I got to know. Then I understood that no, I have to get it done for my son because brain is very complex thing. And if we are getting help by this report to know his brain and his areas and which areas needs to be more exposed and which areas needs to be given more attention, then that is going to help him by in curating his future. And as a parent, each and every parent wants best for their own kids, so that is what my approach was, to give best for my son. And I'm sure this whole report and analysis going to help, definitely going to help me in curating Dhruv's future. And it is going to help me in giving him that much exposure in the areas which are already strong. So I just hope that I'll let you know in future what is going on with Dhruv.
Sure, sure,
And
sure.
even if I feel stuck at any point, I'm going to call you that this is
Sure, sure,
happening. How
sure.
can I work on it and all.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much, ma'am. We wish you both very good luck.
Thank you
Thank you
so
again.
much.
Yes.